This is a Poulan P3416. It's a 34cc 16-inch bar. This has a primer bulb to help start it easier. This is where you adjust the carburetor, low, idle, and high. This is a tool that I made, just a steel tube that fits in there. The adjuster screws, I don't know if you can see them in there. They're square. They don't have a slot head or a Torx head or a Phillips head, they're just square. And this fits over it, or over them, and I flattened a couple edges on here so that when it slides in, it'll go on. Like right there, it's on now. And I can turn this to adjust the screws. Got the chain brake. I'll try starting it up here. And it idles good. You can adjust the idle with the low, and then for cutting, for your high speed, you adjust the high. It's only 34cc, so it's not a logging saw by any means, but for trimming branches and stuff that get blowed off in storms and whatnot. Maybe some light limbing. But I thought I'd show you this saw. And more importantly, how to adjust the carburetor. Because you can't use just a regular screwdriver. You gotta have a end like this. They probably have a specific tool you can buy that's squared that fits in there, but this is a piece of old brake line I had laying around. So thanks for watching.